Hello everybody, Pippo Siciliano here, and we are at the Italian Festa and Expo. Thank you.
I'm from 1974 here.
1974?
I speak better English than you.
Yes, you do. What's your name?
Joe.
John?
Joe.
John.
Joe.
Jo.
Like Joanna.
Oh, Joanna. Okay, John. What's your favorite Italian word?
Oh. Amore.
Grazie.
Grazie, that's good.
Prego.
It starts with an M and ends in an I.
Mamma mia.
Yeah, that one. The pisto come la regina. Fuoco mio.
Connotto. Chinotto o cornuto?
Cornuto.
Probably stronzo.
Stronzo is a winner.
Vino.
Mafangulo.
I knew you were going to say that.
Stronzo. Amore.
Stronzo as well.
Minchia.
Mangiare.
Ciao.
Pizza.
What's the big build?
The big bill, well, it is several projects that we are having in Victoria, the Westgate Tunnel and the Metro Tunnel. And the
Can you put a tunnel in Mernda?
Mamma mia.
Mamma mia. Per me, sai chi è? Muddiga.
Muddiga.
Perché per fare i cotoletti, no?
Oh my god. Penso a mangiare sempre.
Ok.
Ecco.
Ma chi è sto schifo che c'hai cane?
Ma tu...
Ma chi sto che
Ma tu sempre parli?
Ma che sto cane colore dei morti? Che sto colore di morte sono?
No.
Bianco e nero? Ma dove stai io?
Che bianco e nero?
Minchia, magari io allora!
Calabrese.
I would buy one of these, but I don't think I fit inside.
Vaffanculo. That's my favorite one.
Salve. Salve. Beautiful.
Oh, mannaggia. Fatti i cazzi tuoi.
Stu cazzo.
My mum used to say, bastardo, vieni qua. She used to say that to me all the time.
That's the 10th bastardo try.
Mannaggia.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno's good.
Caffè.
Caffè. Buongiorno caffè. You know what penne is? Apart from the pasta, it's very rude. Are you the same people that's gonna build the bridge from Calabria to Sicilia?
I'm not sure about that.
Probably dai, because you can say in like Romano dai.
That's very good. You know, everyone been saying cazzo and bastardo to me.
Yeah.
But you're the first one that said dai, which is a very nice. See, we need to be respected.
Way to be respectful.
Mate, it's fantastic to have you here at the Melbourne Italian Festa and Expo 2025.
Australia's the best MC right here.
Thank you very much, you people.
Ma vattene, va.
Is ciao.